Okay. Good morning, student. Today we will discuss about the cell organelles. Yesterday we had discussed about the three cell organelles, mainly endoplasmic reticulum and the ribosomes. Next is the Golgi apparatus. Firstly, I recapitulate the all these three. First is the cell organelles. Inside the cell, there are the different parts. Inside the cell, there are different parts performing different activity. In our cell, there are the different parts which performing different activity to keep the cell alive and functional. Which is the characteristic feature of the cell alive and the functionable. Yani it's mean when these parts are active and they perform properly function, then our cell is alive and functionable. These parts are called the cell organelles. The part present inside the cell, these parts are known as the cell organelles. They are firstly we explain the Golgi apparatus. What is the Golgi apparatus? The Golgi apparatus is the cell organelles present inside the cell near about the endoplasmic reticulum. Near about the endoplasmic reticulum. Who find the Golgi apparatus? Camillo Golgi find the Golgi apparatus. Golgi apparatus consists of set of membrane-bound fluid-filled vesicles. Just a minute, wait. Golgi apparatus consists. Okay, sir. Thank you. Golgi apparatus consists of a set of membrane-bound fluid-like vesicle. These are these type of structure. These are these type of structures, vesicles, and the cisterna. These are known as the cisterna, and vesicles are the rounded bodies. These are the rounded bodies. Is it clear, everybody? These are the tube-like structure. These are known as the cisterna, and vesicles are the rounded body. Clear, everybody? These fluid-filled means jelly-like or fluid-like substance is present in between the cisterna and vesicles. Vacuoles means gas-filled air-like sac is present, and flattened cisterna, sac-like structure is closed sac, parallel to each other. These are the word about the Golgi apparatus. Golgi apparatus is the site of packaging material. It provides the packaging of material like protein synthesized in the endoplasmic reticulum. It packs the protein in a vesicle, and the vesicle diffuse where these protein are required. Where these protein are required. Is it clear? Cisterna are usually arranged parallel to each other. Cisterna are arranged parallel to each other. They are organized like that. Cisternal. ये देखिए बेटा. These are the structure of cisterna. And in roughly we draw the structure of Golgi apparatus like that. These are the cisterna and these are the vesicles. Is it clear, everybody? These are the cisterna and these are the vesicle. And who is the founder of the Golgi apparatus? Camillo Golgi is the founder of the Golgi apparatus. Clear, everybody, beta? Next is next is our endoplasmic reticulum. Next is endoplasmic reticulum. I had already told you yesterday what is the endoplasmic reticulum. It is the network present inside the cell. Endoplasmic reticulum is the network present inside the cell. It is located near the nucleus. It is located near the nucleus, or you may also call that found very close to the nucleus. Is it clear? It is membranous network of tube, any pipe-like structure present, extending from nucleus membrane to plasma membrane. It connects the nuclear membrane to plasma membrane also. It connects the nuclear membrane to plasma membrane also. It is absent in the prokaryotic cell. I had already told you yesterday, prokaryotic means primitive type of cell. When earth is originated, first cell arise on the earth, that is known as the prokaryotic type cell. primitive type cell. Prokaryotic means not well defined nucleus. These type of cell not carry the well defined nucleus and cell organelles. And mature RBCs of mammals like bee. RBCs are the red blood cells. The endoplasmic reticulum are also absent in the red blood cells. There are two types of endoplasmic reticulum. I had already told you yesterday. Rough endoplasmic reticulum, that is the they bear the ribosomes, dot-like structure and bead-like structure present on the endoplasmic reticulum. That is known as the ribosomes, and due to the ribosomes, appearance of the endoplasmic reticulum is very rough. That's why it is known as the rough endoplasmic reticulum. Once again, I repeat it. Rough endoplasmic reticulum. The reticulum, rough endoplasmic reticulum. Why it is called the rough endoplasmic reticulum? Because dot or beads-like structure present on the membrane of the endoplasmic reticulum. That's why their appearance is looking like rough. So that's why we call this type of endoplasmic reticulum is rough endoplasmic reticulum. Is it clear? Smooth endoplasmic reticulum has absent of the ribosome. They don't have the ribosome. They don't have the dot-like structure. That's why it is known as the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Rough endoplasmic reticulum mainly. Rough endoplasmic reticulum synthesize protein. Why it synthesize protein? Because ribosomes are present on the rough endoplasmic reticulum. Who is the factory of the protein? Who is the factory of the protein? Ribosomes are known as the protein factories. Ribosomes are known as the protein factories, and they are present on the rough endoplasmic reticulum. That's why rough endoplasmic reticulum also produce the protein. Synthesize, we are used in the scientific language. They synthesize the protein. Clear? Next is the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum synthesize the lipid. They synthesize the lipid. Is it clear? They synthesize the lipid. What is the difference between the RER and SER? Their short form is known as the RER and SER. RER matlab rough endoplasmic reticulum. SER means smooth endoplasmic reticulum. RER carries the dot or beads-like structure that is known as the ribosome, and SER carries the smooth muscles which don't have the ribosome. That's why they are known as the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Now what happened in there? Just membrane containing dot-like structure, these type of structure which dot-like or bead-like structure present on the membrane, that is known as rough endoplasmic reticulum, because appearance look like a very rough. This is known as the RER. Now one question, one of the main things, function here. What is the function of the SER and RER? It give internal support to the cell. How it provide the internal support to the cell? It is a network present inside the cell. It is a network. Matlab thin thread-like network or tubes-like network are present inside the cell. That's why it support the cell. It help in transport of various substances. It provides the channels, or in general language we say that the passage nali-like structure, that is known as the tube-like structure. It helps in the transport of various substances from nuclear membrane to the plasma membrane, or vice versa. Again, plasma membrane to the nuclear membrane. Both direction में transport occur. RER help in the synthesis of protein and transportation of protein, and SER help in the synthesis of and transportation of lipid. Is it clear? Is it clear, beta? Here again, it provide the internal, sorry. It provide the internal support, transport of various substance from nuclear membrane to plasma membrane, and again plasma membrane to nuclear membrane. Help in synthesis of protein and transportation of protein. SER help in synthesis of and transportation of lipid. Clear everybody? Clear beta ji? Next is Ribosomes. Next is ribosomes. I had already told about you. What are the ribosomes? They are known as the protein factory. They are known as the protein factory. They are extremely small, dense, and the spherical body. Spherical means circular, rounded like structure, which occur freely in the matrix of cytosol, means cytoplasm, or remain attached to the endoplasmic reticulum, or it may be attached to the endoplasmic reticulum. It may be attached to the endoplasmic reticulum. It located in the cytoplasm as a free state also. Ribosomes are present in the cytoplasm also. It is present on the endoplasmic reticulum as well as inside the cytoplasm. Is it clear, everybody? Next is synthesized protein. What is the function of the endoplasmic reticulum? They play major role. They play major role in synthesis of protein. They play major role in synthesis of protein. Where ribosomes are present, it means synthesis of protein take place there. Is it clear, everybody? Where ribosomes are present, synthesis of protein take place there. Is it clear, everybody? Next, our organ is a very important, that is known as the mitochondria. That is known as the mitochondria. It is very important. It is also known as the powerhouse. It is also known as the powerhouse. Is it clear? It is also known as the powerhouse. They are small rod-shaped organelles. Its structure like a saria hota hai na, small size saria. Its structure is like that, rod-shaped organelles. It is bounded with the double membrane. It is bounded with the double membrane. It bear two membrane. Is it clear? It is double membrane structure with outer membrane being smooth. Its outer membrane is smooth and porous. Porous means holes, small holes is present, yani pits are present, which allow passage of the substance inside and outside. Selective material pass outside and inside. Where inner membrane being thrown into the number of folds, and the this cell organelle is, sorry, mitochondrial cell organelle, the inner membrane is too many folds inside, called the crista. This inner membrane fold is known as the crista. They are fold like finger-like projection. Folds are there. They contain their, one of the very important question, they contain their own DNA. They contain their own DNA and ribosomes. Here also ribosomes are present. It means these type of organelles produce their own protein. They produce their own protein. If ribosomes are present, it means protein are synthesized inside. Is it clear? If ribosomes are present, it means protein are synthesized inside the organelles, and they contain their own DNA. It means they have their own genetic material. They have their own genetic material on which they work. They have their own genetic material. There are the two autonomous type of organelles. It is very important question in 2 marks or sometime in 5 marks. Which two types of cell organelles present? They carry their own. Why mitochondria and chloroplast are known as the autonomous organ? Sorry, question is this: why mitochondria and chloroplast are known as the autonomous organ? They are known as the autonomous organ because mitochondria and chloroplast carry their own DNA. Is it clear? They synthesize their own protein. They carry their own genetic information. Is it clear? That's why they are known as the autonomous organelles. Is it clear? Everybody clear? Next is they are absent in the They are absent in the bacteria and red blood cells of mammals. Here also endoplasmic reticulum is also absent in the red blood cells, and the mitochondria is also absent in the red blood cell of mammals, and they are also absent in the bacteria. Why it is absent in the bacteria? They are also absent in the, here we mentioned that no, they are absent in the bacteria and red blood cell of mammals. Why it is absent in the bacteria? Because bacteria is the primitive cell. They are the prokaryotic. Bacteria are the prokaryotic, and they don't have the membrane bound nuclear membrane or organelles. They don't have the membrane bound nucleus and cell or organelles. Is it clear? Cell organelles. But and the mitochondria is known as the powerhouse of the cell. Why mitochondria is known as the powerhouse of the cell? Because they produce the energy currency. Energy currency means they produce the energy currency in the form of ATP. What is the ATP? It is the energy currency of our body. ATP is the energy currency of our body. What is the full form of ATP? Adenosine triphosphate. What is the full form of ATP? Adenosine triphosphate. It is the energy currency of our body. Energy currency means जितने कॉइन्स हम खर्च करेंगे उतनी एनर्जी हमारी बॉडी को प्रोवाइडेड होगी. जो भी वर्क, which work we perform, like walking, talking, reading, and reading, listening, and doing any exercise, doing any work, the energy is expended on all these activities. Energy is expended on all these activities. Which energy is expended on all these activities? Where it is provided? It is provided from the powerhouse mitochondria, who synthesize in the form of ATP. Who synthesize in the form of ATP, adenosine triphosphate. And energy currency is synthesized inside the mitochondria in the form of ATP. That's why it is known as the powerhouse of cell. That's why it is known as the powerhouse of cell. It provides energy to various activity of the cell. It provides energy to various activity of the cell. That's why it is known as the powerhouse of the cell. Is it clear, everybody? Now, function of the mitochondria. What is the function of the mitochondria? Main function of the mitochondria are, they are the site of cellular respiration. What is the meaning of cellular respiration? Here one student is very confused about that. And what is the meaning of cellular respiration? When respiration takes place at the each and every cell level, that is known as the cellular level. Is it clear? In which each and every cell of the body involved, that is known as the cellular level of respiration. Means when oxygen, we inhale oxygen, it diffuses to the each and every part of the each and every cell of the body, and again exhale of carbon dioxide from each and every cell of the body. That is known as the respiration, and breakdown of glucose take place. Breakdown of glucose take place at the cellular level, and production of the energy in the form of ATP. That is known as the respiration. That is known as the respiration. Here, concentrate this point. They are the site of cellular respiration and have provide energy for the vital activity. Various activity we कह सकते हैं living beings. जितनी भी living beings में perform होती है, like you are talking with someone, you are walking, dancing, preparing something, even reading. If we are thinking, then also energy is used by our body. Is it clear? Next is the store energy released during the reaction in the form of ATP, energy currency of cell. Sorry, one thing more. It is also known as the powerhouse of cell because it stores the energy in the form of ATP also. It stores the energy in the form of ATP also. The store energy released during the reactions in the form of ATP. ये energy release भी करता है during the reaction in the form of ATP. That is why it is known as the energy currency of the cell. ATP is known as the energy currency of cell. Why ATP is known as the energy currency of cell? Because it provides energy. Because it provides energy for vital function or various function of the body. Is it clear, everybody? Therefore, they are also called as the powerhouse of the cell. Here, which I had already told you before 2 minutes. Here, all clear about that why mitochondria is known as the energy house and why ATP is known as the energy currency of cell. Here, this point clear, all these things. They store energy released during the reaction. It store energy and release during the reaction in the form of, in which form it store the energy? ATP, which is known as the adenosine triphosphate, and it is also known as the energy currency of the cell. Therefore, they are called the powerhouse of the cell also. That's why it is known as the powerhouse of the cell also. Is it clear, everybody? Moving forward. Now here is the next cell organelle that is known as the centrosome.